Introducing City Center, the premier destination for businesses looking to make their mark on a dynamic future of Syracuse. This architectural marvel offers an unparalleled opportunity for businesses to elevate their presence and thrive in a bustling urban environment. Our meticulously designed office spaces are tailored to meet the diverse needs of businesses, whether you're a startup looking to establish your presence or a corporation seeking a strategic headquarters. But it's not just about business, it's about creating a destination. Our retail spaces offer a unique opportunity for brands to engage with customers in a vibrant modern setting. With storefronts facing busy streets, your business will be at the forefront of the city's economic revitalization. Join a community of innovators such as the Hayner Hoyt Corporation, the Red House Arts Center, Huntington Ingalls CXtec, and D. Parker Steak and Seafood, opening in 2025. Network with like-minded professionals, collaborate on groundbreaking projects, and unlock new opportunities for growth and success. City Center, where business meets opportunity in the heart of downtown Syracuse.